Here we are, level 4. We have negative 5. It's multiplying this bracket with a negative 12x plus 5 in it. The negative 5 is going to distribute. It's going to multiply the negative 12, which is going to give us positive. Like a negative times a negative is positive. 5 times 12 is 60. X times x is x squared. We get 60x squared. Then the negative 5x multiplies the 5. You have negative 5 times 5 is negative. A negative times positive is negative. 5 times 5 is 25, and then you have x, negative 25x. There's nothing I can do with this negative 71x squared plus 18, so I'm just going to add it on. Then the 11x is going to multiply the negative 11x. And that's going to give us negative 11x squared. The 11x multiplies the negative 7, giving us negative 77x. Then I'm going to add the 11x minus 392. I have some like terms. We have 60x squared minus 71x squared, which gives us negative 11x squared. And then I have my minus 25x and my plus 18. Over here, I have negative 77 plus 11, which is negative 66x. So I'm left with negative 11x squared and the negative 392. Notice I have negative 11x squared on both sides. I want to get rid of it from both sides. So I'm going to do the opposite of minus 11x squared, which is plus 11x squared. So I add 11x squared to the left-hand side. I add 11x squared to the right-hand side to keep everything even. I'm left with negative 25x plus 18 is equal to negative 66x minus 392. I have more x's on the left-hand side. If I want to get rid of this negative 66x, I'm going to do the opposite. I'm going to add 66x. If I add 66x to the right-hand side, I have to also add it to the left-hand side. I have difference of signs, and I'm adding these integers together. That's going to be subtraction. 66 take away 25 is 41. We end up with 41x plus 18. Over here, the 66 is just gone, and we're left with the negative 392. I want to get my 41x's all alone. I want to get rid of the 18. I'm going to subtract 18 from both sides. And that is going to give us negative 410 on this side. We end up with 41x is equal to negative 410. But I want to get rid of that 41. That is multiplying the x. We're going to do the opposite. We're going to divide both sides by 41. Once we divide both sides by 41, we get x is equal to negative 10, which is our answer. We go back to the program and put that in. Swing all the way over here to the answer. X is equal to negative 10. I'm just going to write negative 10. And then I'm going to press enter to see if I'm right. And that is totally right. And that's it for level 4. Have a good day.